The doors slide open, and the city's evening air rushes in to meet us. We've arrived at Blok M. High above the streets, on these concrete pillars, the station feels like an island in the sky. From here, you can see Jakarta stretching out a sprawling, restless landscape of steel and light, caught in the soft glow of the late afternoon sun. We move with the crowd, a collective migration toward the stairs. There is a quiet efficiency here, a shared understanding of the journey. We are descending from the calm of the tracks into the heart of the city's energy.
Dan selalu perhatikan nafas. Pastikan kakimu berpijak pada anak tangga yang tepat. Selamat beraktivitas dan semoga selalu dalam keadaan sehat. Kereta menuju Blok M Indonesia berangkat dari Tiahahu. The train goes for Blok M Indonesia at Blok M is departing.
As we walk through the corridors, the station's modern, industrial lines frame the world outside. We are suspended between the sky and the street, moving through a space that feels both temporary and essential. We line up at the tap-out gates. A brief beep, a flash of green, and we are released from the station's grip. The transition from passenger to pedestrian is complete. We head toward the exit near Taman Literacy. The city's roar is no longer a distant hum. It is becoming a conversation. You can feel the shift in the air, the humidity, the scent of the street, the anticipation of the night ahead. And then the street claims us. We stand before Taman Literacy, but the park is just the backdrop. The real story is the crowd. It is Saturday evening and the energy is palpable. This isn't just a transit point. It's a destination. People are gathered in the fading light, their voices weaving into the fabric of the city. This is the sound of Jakarta exhaling after a long week.
Dia lebih tua dia tau.
We begin our walk toward the heart of the district. The sidewalk is a river, and we are just another ripple in the current. It is extremely crowded, a dense, vibrant crush of humanity that forces you to slow down and simply observe. Listen to the sound around us. It is a symphony of the everyday. We pass the bright lights of a Circle K, a modern landmark in an area that feels both timeless and brand new. This is what a Saturday night feels like here. It is a world dominated by the young, the Gen Z pulse of Jakarta. They are the architects of this atmosphere, bringing a sense of style and digital age confidence to these old streets. Every corner is a social hub. People are hanging out, laughing, queuing for the next great meal. There is no rush, only the steady, joyful rhythm of being together. The air is thick with the aroma of street food spices, grilled meats, and sweet tea. It is a sensory overload, but one that feels deeply welcoming. Many locals say Blok M is like a country inside a country. It has its own gravity, drawing you into its unique culture. It is a place where the traditional and the modern don't just coexist. They collide and create something entirely new. We see the tourists, many from Malaysia, wandering through the maze. They come for the legendary food and the affordable prices, but they stay for the feeling of being at the absolute center of Jakarta's soul. This is the representation of modern Jakarta youth culture. It is inclusive, energetic, and unapologetically alive. We are moving toward the Blok M Hub now, entering through the Gojek entrance near the square. We descend into the lower levels, leaving the open sky for the neon-lit corridors of the hub. The corridor is a gauntlet of flavor and light. It is busy, energetic, and beautifully chaotic. This is the heart of the machine. People are everywhere, sharing meals and stories in a space that never seems to sleep. It is a joyful chaos, the sound of a city that finds its strength in numbers. We walk through this vibrant tunnel, a final passage through the energy of the night. We are surrounded by the faces of those who will define this city's future. We are just observers, passing through their Saturday night. We carry the memory of the view from the elevated station, and we contrast it with the warm, crowded, undeniable reality of the hub. The city has spoken. It has shown us its pulse and its enduring spirit. It has reminded us that the true life of Jakarta isn't found in its monuments, but in these shared moments of connection, here in the heart of Blok M.
Goreng tapi.
We leave the noise behind, carrying only the reflection of the light. The journey is complete.